Yes, good evening, guys, to all of you. I welcome you all on this wonderful platform that is BYJU'S Exam Prep. Please tell me, am I properly audible and visible to all of you or not? Yes. Ronaldo, hello, good evening. Krishna Kumar, yes, good evening, guys. So, guys, this is the very first session of engineering mathematics in the qualifier series. So, as I already told you that on the weekend we are starting qualifier series where we will be discussing about engineering mathematics and aptitude. Yes, good evening, Ronaldo. So, guys, today we will talk about how we can score 13 out of 13 for all the branches except XC, because in XC you can score 15 out of 15 in engineering mathematics. So we are starting with this generic session, but we are going to see what is going to be the schedule. In this session, I will tell you how I will be teaching you. In this session, I will tell you all the important topics for the examination. I will tell you the books you can refer. I will tell you the sources of practice for mathematics. Each and everything we are going to discuss in this session. Fahad, good evening. Akhilesh, good evening. So guys, just like and share the session in all the channels, in all the groups, so that other students can also join. This is some detail about me. My name is Dheeraj Sardana. I am teaching for more than last 10 plus years. Okay. So guys, this is the Telegram channel where we will be communicating related to the, you can say the PDF of this session you will get on this Telegram channel. Related to the doubt resolution you will get on this channel. You will get the previous year's question on this channel for all the branches of engineering mathematics. You will be getting all the practice sources, all the notifications on this channel. This is Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana, and you can join this Telegram channel, guys. Okay. Yes, Kartikeya, Jaya. So we are starting the session, guys. I feel everybody is fine. So guys, before I start, I would like to tell you some of the important announcement, and then I will be starting the session. Okay. So I hope you guys would be bearing that. So if anybody is preparing for GATE examination for 2024 on 13th of August, that is I feel today only, you can give the paper of scholarship test till 9 p.m. and get up to 90% of the scholarship. And guys, then I would like to tell that this qualified series which just started yesterday from the Richa ma'am have taken one session on aptitude, and it will be going on every weekend. One session for aptitude and 2 sessions for mathematics. Okay. Yes. Okay, complex. You can ask. Sir, time पर चालू कर दिया आपने. Yes, Vineet. हमेशा late नहीं होता हूँ मैं. Okay, so we are starting, guys. So I would like to show you, this is the schedule. Okay, this is the schedule for this month. I would like to tell that on 12th August, yesterday this session was there, and this session is currently going on. After that, on 19th you will be having a session at 10 a.m. of aptitude, and on 20th you will be having 6 p.m. for mathematics, and we are going to start with the probability. You may be thinking, sir, how you have decided that? I have given a poll onto the Telegram and WhatsApp groups of the students, and what I found is that there is a tie. Actually, 55% of the students want probability, and after that around 40 to 42% students are looking for the this calculus. So guys, one by one we are going to cover all the topics, but as per your requirement, we will start with probability, and second topic we will be going for the calculus. Okay, and then one by one we will be completing all the topics. Okay. Yes. So welding का syllabus बता दीजिए. Welding का syllabus complex I will tell you after the end of the session, because here students are for the mathematics. At the end I will tell you the syllabus. Don't worry. Ronaldo, it was a tough fight. Yes, it was a tough fight. Okay. This is a session, guys, at 10 p.m. You would be aware that a new paper of data science and artificial intelligence is added into the GATE syllabus. So my dear, this is my promise that today we are coming up with a session with a complete research, because I talked with many of my students who have done BTech from the mechanical or civil, and also Abhinav sir, we have talked with them, but they have done their master in the data science, and right now they are doing the job in the industry as a data scientist. And guys, we talked with many of the students, and by talking with them, we have given all the details in the PPT. Today, you can say tonight at 10 p.m. we will be meeting for this session, and we will talk about the expected syllabus. We will talk about the opportunity We will talk about the strategy, and we will tell you which branch student shall appear for this exam. Okay, which branch student shall appear for this paper, we will tell you. And guys, this is MSQ series going on for both mechanical and civil. And guys, this is a workshop on 16th of August by Richa Gupta ma'am at 7:30 p.m. on 5 steps to trump the gate 24. Now I feel a lot of things are being told to you. Now we are starting the session. I'm 21 pass outs. I got 13 out of, okay, 1313 rank in gate 23. That's great, Praveen. It's fine. If you have any question, you can ask me. It's a very good rank. So guys, first of all, I would like to tell you that yes, this session is related to how we can score 13 out of 13 in engineering mathematics for gate examination. Before we start, I would like to tell you what are the ingredients we are going to discuss in this session. So first we will discuss about the syllabus. It will be for all the branches. Yes, it will be for all the branches. Then we will talk about, my dear, the second thing, which is important topic. These important topics are those from which in the history, in the previous year's paper, more questions are being asked. Is it clear? And then, my dear, third thing we are going to discuss are the best books. Although you need not to go for the books, but still I will tell you some of the standard books if you want to follow, if you want to see some of the good questions. And then the second last thing, I will tell you the sources of the practice. And at the last, I will tell you the interlinking example, where I will tell you that how I will be teaching in a way that I will be interlinking the engineering mathematics with your technical subjects. Like I will show you the interlink between matrix and strength of material for mechanical civil people. I will show you the interlink of differential equation with the vibration topic. Because if you are going like that, my dear, you will get better feel of the subject and you will enjoy the session. Okay, sir, how to enhance memory power? Dear, if you have any question related to other than the session, I will take the doubts at the end. Okay, because right now our target is to discuss about 13 out of 13 in mathematics. I will take all your doubts related to any topic at the end of the session. Okay, good evening, Manisha, how are you? So moving further, guys, first of all, I will go for the weightage analysis. So I would like to tell you, for all the branches except XC paper, my dear, mathematics is going to be there for 13%. It means out of 100, 13 marks will be allotted to the mathematics. So generally student feels, sir, 72% are going to the technical. So technical is more important. Guys, being a teacher, I teach more than 5-6 technical subjects. But still, I would like to tell you that these 72% of technical are given to around 10 technical subjects. It means the average weightage of one subject is around 7 marks. Okay, but if you see the mathematics weightage, it is going to be 13 marks. It means mathematics is having at least double the weightage. Double weightage whenever we are talking about any technical subjects. So mathematics have around double the weightage with the other subjects. And the best part about this mathematics syllabus of GATE, you will find that 70 to 80% of the syllabus of engineering mathematics is matching with what you have studied in 12th class. So my dear, even if you have studied well in 12th class, it is going to help you a lot. It is going to help you a lot, my dear, in this GATE examination. So XC का टॉपिक्स कवर होगा, डियर पूरा मैथ्स कवर होगा. मैंने जो पोल्स दिया था वो सिर्फ इसीलिए कि हम स्टार्ट किससे करें. पूरा मैथ्स कवर होगा और जीरो से बिल्कुल हाई लेवल पर कवर होगा और वीकेंड्स पर कवर होगा. माय डियर, इसी चीज को ध्यान में रखते हुए आई हैव केप्ट 2 classes every week for maths. For aptitude there will be 1 class only. For mathematics there will be 2 classes per week. And guys, as I said, I will be covering the complete mathematics before your GATE 24 exam. And as we will be moving towards the public holidays like Deepavali, Dashera, when the festival season will come, I will increase the classes and also the number of hours for the class. Because when I will be doing that, we will be covering the small topics very fast. So I am starting with probability, then I will go to calculus. Likewise, I will move topic by topic. But yes, the topics which are there in XC, which are there in some particular branch will be taken at the last. First, I will go with the common topic which are there for all the branches. Okay? Yes. So let's move further. So guys, now we are talking about the syllabus of engineering mathematics. So when we are talking about the syllabus of engineering mathematics, you know the first is linear algebra, which is also said to be matrices. Then the second is calculus, third is differential equation, fourth is vector calculus, Fifth is complex variable. Why I have kept this signal star with the complex variable? Because this topic is not for the civil engineering. It is not for civil. It is not for the civil engineering, my dear. It is not for the civil engineering. Then probability and statistics, and then we have numerical method. Numerical method is not there for EC and EE. Numerical method is not there for EC and EE. And then the last one is, my dear, that is sequence and series, and it is only there for XC. It is only there for XC. So, my dear, till now, whatever the mathematics session you have seen, everything would not be covered like that. They would be talking about only the main topics, like these are there, these are there. They will be talking about only these topics. I am going to tell each one of this. But my dear, yes, we will be starting with the common topics. First, we will go with probability. Then we will go with calculus. Then we will go with differential equation. Then we will go with the linear algebra. Then we will be going with the complex variable, then vector calculus, and then we will go with the numerical method, and eighth we will go with the sequence and series. In this sequence, we are going to cover each and everything. Preetham, don't do this type of message, otherwise you will be blocked by the team members. Okay. So next we are moving further. Now, my dear, I will be telling you the syllabus and the important topics. Syllabus and the important topic. Okay. So, my dear, when we are talking about linear algebra, you would see these four topics are mentioned in the syllabus of all the branches, whether it is mechanical or it is civil or it is ECEE or it is XC or it is going to be the new paper DA. It is syllabus have not yet come, but still it will be coming. So guys, these are the topics. From these four topics, the most important topic is going to be the system of linear equation. Every year you will see one question from that. Then, my dear, second important topic is eigenvalue and eigenvector. And then, my dear, these two topics you will get the question for sure. And these two topics are slightly lesser importance. Okay. So guys, whenever you come to the YouTube session, don't do that kind of spam. Otherwise, some actions can be taken against you, which will be not good for you. Because you are a student, you need to take care of each and everything. We all have family members in our family. So take care of that, because sometimes like you are doing spam with someone, some other can do spam with your family members also. So try to avoid these things. Okay. So let's move further. Next, this is the first linear algebra. So the most important topics are these two. When we are talking about the second chapter, that is calculus, you know calculus. Also, I would like to tell you like metrics. Is it related to your technical subjects? Yes. For mechanical peoples, strength of material have the concept of eigenvalue and eigenvector. Why I am telling you this? Because when I will be teaching you eigenvalue and eigenvector, what you find in others class, you will find how to find out eigenvalue, how to find eigenvector. Nobody will tell you the physical significance of eigenvalue and eigenvector. Nobody will tell you what these are going to tell us. But my dear, in my class, my first priority will be to make you understand how this eigenvalue is defined and how it is going to help you in your technical subjects. Okay, because then you will feel the mathematics. Right now you are just doing with the methods, but you don't feel the subjects. And once you feel the subject, you will never forget it. This is my promise to you. So guys, the major target here is to feel the subject. For that, you need to know the application of that. Okay. So just like the session, guys, because I am coming up with so much wonderful content for you. Then we will start the calculus. Here we have limits, continuity and differentiability, mean value theorem, definite integrals, multiple integrals, maxima, minima, area, volume, Taylor and Maclaurin series, and also Fourier series. So these are the topics we are going to cover here. Here, my dear, I would like to show you when I will be teaching you that what are the application of Fourier series in the subject like heat and mass transfer. So I will be telling you about all the branches. For mechanical, for civil, I will tell you how calculus is going to be linked with the control systems. Okay. How the topics are linked with the highways. In the highway also you are going to use some of the equations. So I would be telling you all the applications of that particular topic. Is it clear for everyone? So my dear, when we are talking about these topics, what are the important topics here? My dear, questions are coming from the mean value theorem, questions are coming from the definite and multiple integrals, and one question is nowadays coming from the Taylor series. Previously it was not important. Okay. Fourier series is coming very less time. Okay. Laplace is coming more in the exam. So guys, then we are talking about the vector calculus. Nowadays, vector calculus is coming in exam. The topics where the questions are coming, they are gradient, divergence, and curl, and application of Gauss, Stokes, and Green's theorem. Here, my dear, people are learning the theorem, but they don't know the utilization of that. They do not understand what curl tells us. They do not understand what divergence tells us. How we will be using them in the subject like fluid mechanics. How we will be using the vector calculus in the branches like electronics. So guys, all those things we will be discussing. That how we can use the mathematics in the application subjects. Okay. So guys, one by one we will be going with all the things. Right now we are talking about the important topics. After this I will tell you the important books. Then I will tell you the strategy which I will be following. And then I will tell you the sources of the practice. Just wait for 2 more minutes guys for the further headings. Next is differential equation. So when we are talking about the differential equation, the topic is first order equation, linear and non-linear. Higher order linear differential equations, then Euler-Cauchy equation, then Laplace transform. So guys, these are the topics we are going to discuss in the differential equation. Generally, my dear, here when we are talking about, so this Euler-Cauchy equation and Laplace transform are going to be the important one. If you see from 2016-17, continuously questions are coming from the Laplace transform. That's why it becomes important now. Sir, here we will be going with all the branches applications. We are not going to solve only mechanical engineering question. That's what I would like to tell you, that I would be going for wonderful good questions from BYJU'S workbook and all. I will share you the question of all the branches for practice. And it is not like I will be going with mechanical engineering question. When I was preparing for mathematics, I have done all the branch questions. Okay. I am preparing for this mathematics. Obviously, when I have given GATE at that time, I have given. But to teach you guys, I am doing this from last more than 7+ months. I have made all the questions of previous years. I have done a lot of practice from the standard books. Then only I am in front of you today. Okay, so don't worry about that. I will be covering all the branch good questions, because every question cannot be done in the class. But yes, I will share you the PYQ of all branches so that you can practice a lot. So guys, just like the session, because I am coming here with proper preparation. For mechanical and civil, this channel is dedicated, no doubt, but mathematics will be for all the branches. So guys, a new series will be coming from 18th August. Those who are preparing for engineering services or ISRO or HAL, for them these 3 years PYQ will be very, very important. So we are coming with that for all the subjects. Now my dear, we are coming to the most important topic, and this is the chapter from which I will be starting the mathematics from the next week. Probability and statistics. Okay, yes. So guys, those who have not yet started mathematics, for them this is the diamond opportunity. I am not saying golden, diamond opportunity, because you are going to learn in a full-fledged manner. So we will be going with, these are the syllabus, definition of probability, conditional sampling theorem. And if you see all these topics, conditional probability is important. Okay. And also, my dear, nowadays questions are coming from the distributions, binomial, Poisson, normal distributions. And guys, if you see the application, if you are talking about the data science and artificial intelligence, my dear, if you are going to do masters in this branch, you will be having probability as a separate subject, because this is the base of this, because artificial intelligence is all based upon the mathematics. So guys, without probability, you cannot even think of DA branch. So it is also going to help you there. And here, my dear, whenever we are talking about these distributions kind of things, they are also going to be used in the applications of the subjects like communication for EC peoples. For mechanical peoples, it will be used in the industrial engineering. For civil peoples, it will be used in CPM, because in CPM you are talking about beta distribution, normal distribution curves. So they are going to be used in those applications, my dear. Moving further to the complex variables. And my dear, this is not in the civil syllabus, so we will keep this chapter at the last, because first we will cover the common topics. In the complex variable, we are going to study these topics. Okay. And out of these, CR equation is going to be the most important one. Okay. From this, the questions are coming. Okay. And this is going to be utilized in EC branch more, EE branch more. That's why it is not in civil. In civil, there are not much application of this topic. So that's why this is not in civil engineering. Okay. Moving further to the numerical methods. It is not there in ECE branch. This is there in mechanical and civil. So numerical methods are generally used for the approximations of the equation which we cannot solve normally. So it is going to be very, very important topics for nowadays things and also for the DA paper. Because if you are looking for data science and artificial intelligence, numerical methods are going to be a particular subject in your masters. So that is why it is important if you are looking for that paper as well. Okay. So now it's about the books. So those who want to know about the books, my dear, I would recommend first of all this book, B.S. Grewal for Higher Engineering Mathematics. Although one more book is coming, that is going to be this one, and this is Erwin Reisinger. Okay, Reisinger. So this, if you are talking about this book, my dear, this book is also a good one. I referred these two books for the mathematics. But when we are talking about this is going to be the book which you have referred in your colleges as well. But if you are attending my sessions, you need not to go for the books much, because all the practice questions will be given to you in the Telegram channel. Concept will be taught to you in the classes. So these books I am telling you just for the reference for some particular topic where you get stuck into. Okay. So we are moving further. So guys, please tell me, are you getting each and everything? Now I am coming to most important thing, that is sources for practice. That from where you can practice the mathematics questions. So the very first source, yes guys, please tell me guys, am I properly audible, visible now? As nobody is saying something. Everybody got it? Whatever till now we have discussed, are you getting it? Yes, wonderful, Kartikeya. So now we are talking about the sources of practice. So my dear, if you follow only one source of practice, that is previous year's questions, that may be going to be enough, because my dear, the reason for that, you are having the PYQ of mechanical, civil, EC, EE, IN. Okay, there are a lot, a very big list is there. And not only for GATE, from 2017 onwards, engineering services is also asking mathematics, and that is also asking a decent level mathematics. So my dear, in the ESE paper 1 I am talking about, so you can go for the PYQ of GATE and ESE both. And obviously now you would be having a doubt, sir, there are many questions, will we be able to solve all of them? No, you don't have that much time. So this will be my duty, that I will be sharing you the good questions out of that. So you just follow those questions, you go for that, because the same type of 10 questions, why we will be wasting our time. We will go for 10 questions of individual types, so that we can cover maximum types of the question. So when we sit in the exam, we get everything, whatever we have studied from that only. Okay. So for that, you can have faith on me. So we will move further to the second. Second may be the practice sessions. Many times I will be coming here with the practice sessions on YouTube from mathematics, sometimes on the free app sessions, that also you can attend. Third thing, my dear, you can come for the quizzes on the BYJU'S exam prep app. You will find many free quizzes which you can attempt for the mathematics. And then the last is going to be the test series. If you are going to join any test series, my dear, it will have, first of all, topic wise, subject wise test where maths would be there. And also in the full length test, you will get 8 to 9 questions in all the tests. So if you are appearing for even 10 tests, you will get 90 questions from that. So for practice, you don't have any limit on the sources. We have enough number of sources. Sir, engineering mechanics hoga na? Bilkul Vineet. Engineering mechanics will be started from Wednesday, 16th of August on the BYJU'S exam prep app. The timing will be 11 a.m. in the morning, and you will be getting there the wonderful concept of engineering mechanics. I will be teaching you from very basics, and we are going to complete the mechanics there. Okay. So next, my dear, we have discussed about the sources. We have discussed about Pritam. Don't do that. Otherwise, as I said already, I am getting the messages. You may be blocked from the team members. Yes, guys. Okay, so let's move further. So guys, when we are talking about this, the last thing I would like to tell you, that how will be the teaching strategy. Means when I will be teaching you some topic, what would be my way of teaching for that? Like let us say when I would be teaching you the eigenvalues and eigenvector. So generally what is done, a matrix is given to you and it is told that this is how we will find out eigenvector, this is how we will find out eigenvalues. I will not be stopping there. I will be starting from there and then I will come to the application. And then I would like to tell you that in the strength of material you study this type of matrix. Yes, you will say this is said to be Cauchy's stress tensor. Yes, this is a 3 by 3 matrix. It will be having three eigenvalue, 3 eigenvector. Then I would be telling you what is the physical significance of eigenvalue, what is the physical significance of eigenvector, and then you will get to know that if you are going to find out the eigenvalue of this, they will give you the principal stresses like sigma 1, sigma 2 and sigma 3. Similarly, when you will be finding out the eigenvector for this will give you the principal plane 1, 2 and 3. I will tell you why they are at perpendicular. I will tell you why at those planes shears are 0. That I will not be defining from strength of material. I will be defining that from the mathematics only. I will show you that only with the help of mathematics without discussing the subject. So you may be thinking, sir, if I am not from mechanical civil, then because my dear, the same application is utilized in the control system for EC also. So I would be telling you both the applications together and you will love to know that you are using the mathematics in the technical syllabus, technical subjects without knowing that application. So this is what I am talking about. Is it clear for everyone? Is it clear for everyone? So this is how the way is going to be. So once again, I would like to tell you, we have discussed all the things. So tonight at 10 p.m. guys, tonight at 10 p.m. you can join me and Abhinav sir at the same channel for knowing about the details of data science and artificial intelligence. We will go for expected syllabus detail, opportunity and strategy. So guys, this can help you in deciding whether you shall opt for this or not. Because sometimes we are just running in the, you can say, race कि सभी कर रहे हैं तो मैं भी करूंगा. It is not going to be like that. इसको अच्छे से जान लो और फिर पहचानो कि आपको ये पेपर देना चाहिए कि नहीं, और अगर देना चाहिए तो इसको फर्स्ट पेपर रखना चाहिए कि सेकंड, और अगर डिसाइड कर ही लिया है कि देना है और सेकंड पेपर या फर्स्ट पेपर देना है तो इसको पढ़ने का तरीका क्या होगा. So my dear, all those things I am going to tell you, and I will also be telling you the opportunities because I talked with many students who are doing job in this field, and based on that information I will be telling you each and everything related to data science and artificial intelligence. So me and Abhinav sir would be live. We need actually I already put their complaint to the team and team will be doing that. Okay, because that access is there with the team, because during teaching I cannot do that thing. So I would like to say guys, this is the schedule. So as you know, this is going on the series, qualifier series, where we are going to cover the complete engineering mathematics and complete aptitude. We are going to cover mathematics, aptitude completely before GATE 2024 paper. And guys, this is going to be the schedule for this month. And guys, on Saturday you would be having an aptitude class at 10 a.m. and you will be having mathematics 2 classes, one Saturday, one Sunday. Okay, so for mathematics we are starting with the probability from the Saturday, and later on we will be increasing the frequency of the classes so that we can cover all the topics including XC paper before your GATE examination. So guys, please tell me how you found the information given in this session. I told you what we are going to discuss. I told you how we are going to discuss. I told you the best books. I told you the important topics, and we are going to start this from the next weekend. So be ready for that guys. I will be providing you all the handwritten notes of the topic. So you need not to write anything in the class. You will get the notes on my Telegram channel. I will be giving you the practice problems with answers, and you can take the doubts in the Telegram channel itself. So be ready guys. We are going to start this wonderful plan for you. Be ready, and you are going to enjoy the entire mathematics along with the technical application. I hope so. Vineet, this time I am telling you mechanics I will be teaching completely one by one. Only in between 3-4 days gap would be there because I may be on the leave for 4-5 days in the next to next week. Otherwise, it will go continuously. Okay, so don't worry about that. Now I am telling about the welding syllabus. So my dear, if you see the welding syllabus in the gate, they have just mentioned the principle of weldings. But if you will see, you will be having the arc welding, resistance welding, then you will be having the radiant energy welding, then you will be having the chemical reaction welding, gas welding, and then adhesive bonding like soldering, brazing, braze welding, welding defects, okay? Then heat transfer characteristics, the forces in the welding operation, and types of flux, type of electrodes, okay? All these things would be there. So guys, here I will be stopping the session. Do like the session before leaving and kindly share the session with your friends. And also, my dear, join my Telegram channel Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana to get the schedule, to get all the information, to get the handwritten notes, to get the questions of all the branches of GATE and ESE both. All those things will be given to you on my Telegram channel Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana. Also, you would be getting the important notification related to any you can say vacancies on my Telegram channel. So do join that. Okay. Okay. Sir, Lakshmi, don't worry. I would be having the maths in the evening. You can see I have kept the maths timing. Sorry, I forget to tell you. That will be at 6 p.m. This will be at mathematics will be at 6 p.m. in the evening. Mathematics will be at 6 p.m. in the evening. Okay, mathematics would be in the evening. Don't worry. Is it clear to everyone? Okay, and do join the Telegram channel. You will get all the information there. So we will be having mathematics in the evening. Okay, once again I am telling you. So goodbye for this particular session. Goodbye.